What's up, gamers? Welcome back to our channel. If you're as passionate about gaming as we are, you've come to the right place. Today, we have something truly exciting to share with you, the JBL Quantum ONE Headphones. Let's explore the features that set these headphones apart from the rest. Feature 1. JBL QuantumSPHERE 360-DAG audio technology. Say goodbye to traditional stereo sound. QuantumSPHERE 360-DAG audio technology takes your gaming experience to a whole new dimension. It uses advanced algorithms and head tracking sensors to create a lifelike soundscape, so you can hear every enemy footstep and immerse yourself in the heart of the action. Feature 2. Active noise canceling. Distractions can be game changers, and that's where the JBL Quantum ONE's active noise canceling feature comes in handy. Shut out the outside world and stay fully focused on your game, even in noisy environment. The noise canceling is so effective that you'll feel like you're in your private gaming oasis. Feature 3. Ergonomic design comfort. Comfort is crucial during those marathon gaming sessions. The Quantum ONE headphones are engineered for extended wear, featuring memory foam ear cushions and adjustable headband. Game on for hours without any discomfort holding you back. Feature 4. Customizable RGB lighting. Want to make a statement while gaming? The Quantum ONE headphones come with customizable RGB lighting, allowing you to personalize your setup and match your gaming aesthetic. Stand out from the crowd and immerse yourself in your own colorful world. Feature 5. Discord-certified voice focus boom microphone. Coordinate with your team seamlessly using the Discord certified voice focus boom microphone. Ensure clear communication without any background noise disrupting your strategies. Your teammates will thank you for your crisp and precise calls. Now that we've covered the fantastic features, let's talk about the pros. Pro 1. Incredible sound quality. When it comes to sound, JBL never disappoints. The Quantum ONE headphones deliver powerful, crystal-clear audio, allowing you to hear even the faintest in-game details. From thundering explosions to subtle ambient sounds, every audio nuance is brought to life. Pro 2. Sturdy build EEA premium materials. JBL didn't cut any corners in terms of build quality. These headphones are built to last, featuring premium materials that can withstand the rigors of daily gaming. The durable construction ensures they'll be your reliable gaming companion for years to come. Pro 3. Versatility beyond gaming. While primarily designed for gaming, the Quantum ONE headphones are surprisingly versatile. You can use them for listening to music, watching movies, or even taking calls, thanks to the high-quality microphone. They're the ultimate all-in-one audio solution. As with any product, the blue Quantum ONE headphones also have a couple of downsides to consider. Con 1. High price tag. One drawback worth mentioning is the premium price point of the JBL Quantum ONE headphones. While they offer exceptional features, they might not be the most budget-friendly option for everyone. Con 2. Bulky design for outdoor use. Due to their robust and feature-packed design, these headphones can be a bit bulky for one. The go use. If you're looking for a travel-friendly headset, you might need to consider a more compact option. Don't forget to check out the product link in the description below to learn more about the JBL Quantum ONE headphones. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more awesome content like this, hit that subscribe button.